Ayan. Okay. Baby showing her latest creation. No? And then,
Okay, then it can take a bath. Like this. And the soap with everything. And
Oh.
then it can...
may soap pa yan.
And then I can rise the bubbles with...
So, the bubbles. Yan yung bubbles. So, up and down, no? Wow.
With a shower,
Shower.
a brush and a comb, and a loofah.
Oh, show them how she loofahs. Di ba kanina pinapakita mo? Yan, tanggalin yung loofah dyan. O, kuha mo ng soap. Tapos yan, brush siya.
But
Tapos balik si loofah, si soap.
the first aid kit, it's there for a reason. Not just for fake ouchies, but for real ouchies. Like, because a while ago I ripped it, so I'll just need a piece of tape and this, so I can keep it strong and it never hurts. Especially when I get this off.
Ginawa lang yan from a recycled letter. Gumawa siya ng ganyan.
Now that was new, but I just made it better by making the front look better, but I'm still not done with it.
Yan o. Ang galing o. May hair dryer, comb, soap. Kompleto
That was a
siya.
hair dryer? Oh my gosh.
Ang galing eh, no?